Welcome back to Code Hive, the place where we make it work, make it right, and make it fast. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix an error that you might occur when working with Oracle SQL Developer. So I have my table over here and I actually wanted to insert more data into the table. So I actually wanted to insert these two lines. So when I click the run statement and I say okay, then it gives me this error saying that an error was encountered performing the requested operation, so the network adapter could not establish the connection. So if you encounter this problem, it means that the Oracle SQL developer and the database is not connecting. So there's no connection between the two of them. Okay, so how do you fix this error? So this is what I actually want to show you guys on this video. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go to your home or your search, right? And you want to search for services. Okay, so once you search for services, then you will say open. Okay, so this will essentially open, right? So once this opens, you are going to scroll down and you are going to look for a part that says Oracle. So there's quite a few things that says Oracle, right? So you want to look for the part that says Oracle DB21 home. So this one is running, right? Then the next one, this one is not running. So how do you run it? So it could be the problem. So you're just going to right click on it and you are going to start, right? So you're just going to say start and it will automatically say it's running. And then the next one that you want to make sure is running is Oracle Services XE. Well, the next one, right? And you're going to do the same and you're going to say start. So basically this will just run the thing. So the reason why that the connection was lost is because it stopped running. Hence why when we were trying to run and execute that statement, it was giving us an error to say that, listen, it's not working. There's no connection between the two. So you just want to set all these so that they are able to run. Okay. Okay, so once it's done running, then it will show that it's now running. So now that all three of them are running, then we can just close this, right? We can close that, and then we can try running our statement again. Okay, so now it worked, right? So it was able to insert. So I'm just going to go back. So the things that you need to make sure are running is your Oracle ORA DB. I'll just write it down for you guys because it's a lot. And the Oracle, the same, the next one, and the third one. So all these three needs to be running in order for the connection to be there between the Oracle SQL developer as well as the database. Okay, so that is how you resolve this problem. So now we can see that everything is running and it's inserting properly. So we're getting a connection. So that's how you fix that error that says that the network adapter could not establish the connection. I hope this video was very helpful. So if you do encounter a problem like this, then please watch this video and let me know what you think in the comment section below. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please hit the like button. Please hit the notification bell for more videos like this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching.